Menteri Sarkar Bapak ya katana ka koi ka khia James PK Sangma manta ka santrik nai no pra ula play pai ba ya ka atomic energy ya ka bala baiting ka da civil hospital kan wing but la play pai ba ru ya ka Meghalaya mission cancer prevention and early detection habakren ha ka jelang ban play pai ba James K Sangma ulo ong ba ka jingpang bampong kalongkum ka jingrai pynïap ya shibun ki briew bat boro ki briew ki sngsi bat thangman siam tang shute bayo ya ka ni ka jingpang bampong shu James ula kro ru ba ka jingsumare ka jingpang bampong ka simpor bha bat dai halo ka ni lapanlong ka sarkar banwan ra da ka first kan sakir FCC banlap kloy ka jingpang batru ban sumar ka banwan ra ka jingmuntoy bakhra bat kanyarap ru ban plai em ya bon ki bodan ya ka ni ka jingsitom.
This was sanctioned or conceptualized in the year 2008. The date of sanction is in 2008, and it has taken a long time to finally have this and to finally inaugurate it formally. But let me tell you that inauguration is one part. The work towards taking care, the treatments, prevention, diagnostics, post-treatment care, all these have been going on without the establishment of this specific cancer wing. And our doctors have been working so hard, and today we see that the results of that in our young friend Marchwell and also our friend Bakharmujai and countless other cancer survivors who have been treated by our doctors here. Thank you so much to all the doctors. I know it's not easy for them. They lead such a stressful life, and it is really, I think, once in a while, our words of gratitude are very important to show our appreciation for all the work and the sacrifice that they are giving and they are doing. So really a very big thank you from my side for all that work that has taken place for cancer care. Cancer is something we all know that we can just imagine someone going and with a small problem and being told by the doctor after proper diagnostics that he has been diagnosed with cancer. It's literally like a death sentence for so many people. It just, suddenly the world is very, very different. The kind of, the morale that comes down and the kind of sadness that seeps into any individual who has to unfortunately be told that he's been diagnosed with cancer. That is why I think that this disease, which has been so dreaded, this needs a special focus. This needs not just treatment and care, as Mr. Sampot was mentioning, but we need to move towards the preventive side of cancer. And there is a lot of science which is working towards how we can prevent cancer in the future. And let me assure everyone, the citizens of our state, that we as a government, we are wanting to take the bull by its horn here. And we want to really not just treat cancer, but also move towards how we can prevent this dreaded disease.